Today in this video I'll be explaining you how can I configure my Gmail account with ServiceNow. Suppose I am receiving any email in my Gmail account that should forward it to my ServiceNow instances. So how it will happen. So I'll explain you that as well as I'll show you the live example. How can we do that? Suppose let's take an example of my this email account pradyumna@mailctc@gmail.com. So if anyone is sending any email to my this account, the same email should get transferred to my ServiceNow account, ServiceNow instance. So for that, there are a couple of configurations we have to made in the email side as well as in the ServiceNow. So first, I'll do all the changes in email side. So I'll click on setting. I'll click on see all setting. So here there will be option called forwarding and POP IMP. So I have to enable it. So it's recommended to click on this one, enable POP for email that arrives from now, because if you will enable the ever one, it will retrieve all the past mails also. So it's better. I will recommend to go with this. Then you can click on save changes. Before that, you make sure you have clicked the keep Gmail copy in box. This will be auto selected. So this is one configuration you have to made in your Gmail account. So once you are done, the next step is you can go to your manage account. So in the manage account, you make sure your two-step authentication is done. If you go to security, you can find your two-step authentication. So here it will be two-step verification. If it is not done, then you can click on this and you have to complete that. So here you can give your mobile number and you can complete it. So once your two-step authentication is done, below you can see there is an option called app password. So you can click on this arrow mark and so you can create a app over here. You can provide any name and you can click on create. You can see I have already given a name and I have already created a password. So once you will give name and create, the screen will look like this. So this is one password which will get generated. So make sure you are copying the password along with the spaces. Then you can copy and you can store it at any particular notepad or anywhere. So these are the configurations we have to do in the Gmail site. So once this configuration is done, then I'll quickly go back to the service now. So in the service now, I'll click search for email properties. So in the email properties, I have to enable that email receiving enable. So once you'll enable this, then only will the email will get start populating in service now. So once you'll enable this, then I have to configure an email account. For that, I have to search for email account. So in the email account, I have already configured an email account, you can see, but if it is not configured for you, you can click on new. So the moment you will click new, the page will look like this. Okay, so I can give the name, the server should be POP3 and it should be password, and the server name should be pop.gmail.com, and the port should be 995 and security should be SSL/TLS. And here I have to add my Gmail account for where I have created the app password, and the password I have created I have to paste it over here. Once I'll paste, I can click on save and active this record, and for the testing the connection you can click on test connections. So if your connection is successful, then you can see, okay, this connection is successful. I can retrieve all the emails, whatever will created in Gmail account. Whoever will sending any email to my mail Pradyumna CTC, it will automatically populate in the ServiceNow instance. So if you get any error, that means there might be some configuration related miss in the Gmail account side or in the maximum in the Gmail account side, because the two-step authentication is mandatory. If you have not done that, then this connection will not work for you. So now I will go to the email diagnostic page. Uh, okay. So here you can see in the email properties, here is the email diagnostic page. You can click on this. It will open the page like this. Okay, so this is the page, nothing but it will show you the status. So here you can see email receiving status is my enabled, and this is successfully enabled. And by clicking on this save email reader job, you can get to know when the next job will execute to pull the all the mails from Gmail to ServiceNow. So every 3 minutes or 4 minutes a job will get execute. So you can check that. I let me click on that email reader job. You can hover over there, you can see about 6 minutes ago this job was triggered. Let me refresh now. Okay, so it will show you like when the next job will be executed. So that data also we'll get to know from here. So what I'll do now, I'll send one email to my Gmail account. This is my one more account. I'll click on compose. I'll send one email. Test to pop email test. Hello, service now. Okay, I'll send this email. I'm going to send this email to my mail pradyumna ctc at the rate Gmail account. I'll click on send. So the moment I'll click on send, it will I can check here. The moment I'll receive one email from that account to here. The moment it will create over here, it will directly forward to ServiceNow. We can see I have received this email. So let's see when ServiceNow can receive my email. I'll go to my email receive box. I'll search here, receive. I'll click on this receive. Okay, it's already opened. You can see whatever mails I'm getting over there, it's already started populating, and the same email will also get populate. Let me refresh this. So yeah, these are the jobs once it will get executed. So you can find your email over here. So that's it. This is all about your POP3 configurations. So in the next video, I'll show you how can we do the SMTP configuration so that ServiceNow can send email from instance to you can send email to any other email addresses that I'll explain. Thanks for watching.